I chose solar because I saw an opportunity to make my family proud, become a part of a career-based job as opposed to just a job. I saw an opportunity to inspire women and inspire people in my community to do something that was changing history. You know, being a part of that, being a part of history, just being a part of something like renewable energy, it really means a lot to me. I want to sustain the world for my kids. I want to sustain the world for them so that they know what it's like. I want them to know that, hey, mommy put that solar panels up there, you know. So I chose solar because I saw the opportunities were endless, and I knew that I could hit the ground running. For me, the main benefit of coming to Rethink Electric was the openness, the willingness to embrace me here. With the company, they pretty much were so open to the idea of a woman installer, which most companies aren't. And so I was very happy about that. I was happy that this company was more like a family and not just a company. It was more that I'm not just a number. Just knowing the owner personally, being able to call his phone, that type of stuff means a lot to me. Knowing that my opinion matters, even if I'm like a smaller scale, you know what I mean? Like just having the voice and having the opportunity to have a voice in your company, that's what did it for me. Well, I would say my journey has been a roller coaster. We have been up, we have been down, but we have stuck it out, you know. We have been in the rain, the sleet, the snow, you name it, and we pushed through. So that's what I like about my journey here. Everything it has taught me that, you know, people around me, they want to see me do good. They are more interested in making sure I'm self-developed so that I can become more of an asset to the company. But they also just knowing that you got a company that's rooting for you, that's rooting for a change, that's rooting for, you know, positive things, rooting for the community, rooting to help you out. I mean, that means a lot. So my journey, it just started.